Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to enable surveillance and how to customize it for, of course, the XIAOMI Smart Camera C100. Let's begin. But we can start with opening the camera software, which is of course the XIAOMI Home application, and if you don't have it, you can always watch our install dedicated software tutorial. Now, let's open the camera, and we should see a preview if everything goes well. And as you can see, the live preview is already here. Now, we can see the surveillance, which is right below our typical tools for recording things. So let's go into surveillance. And as you can see, we have the all-around protection by home surveillance. After home surveillance is enabled, the camera will send notifications immediately when changes are detected in the surveillance area. So let's go into turn on. And now we have the home surveillance, and what's really funny is that by default it's actually not doing anything. We need to enable the detect push notifications, and only after we do that, I said only after we do that, we have the event notification type. So let's go into it. And now you can see whenever we're going to receive notification when something is going to happen. So if you want to get notification every time motion is detected, you can do that. If you want to see notification every time the loud noise is detected, or like when the baby cries, or like someone left the geo-fenced area or something, you can always enable this. And that's really cool feature, especially if you're using this outdoors or indoors, or you're using this camera as a security camera, which I don't think you should be doing that, but you know, you can always do that. So now we can leave this. We can also customize a few different things like the monitoring time. We can go into daytime surveillance, nighttime surveillance, or even better, the customized surveillance, which by default is your typical 24-hour change. And for example, if you want to see notification every time someone enters your property at the nighttime, you probably want to go into nighttime surveillance and then change the event notification type and disable everything other than motion detected and someone entered geo-fenced area and also someone left it, which I believe is also pretty cool. But I will just disable this only because I think it's pretty annoying to receive so many applications, and it's not like I'm going to use the camera as the security camera. I'm only the guy who is recording the tutorials. By the way, something very interesting and very important, we have the free service reminder. New users will get 3 months free video recording of events, and that service expires on the 1st of June, I believe, the next year, of course the next year for me, 2026, after which surveillance videos will no longer be recorded. So that's very interesting, and I believe that for the mention of free, you can still have them recorded, but only after you pay probably a big subscription fee, which is not very cool. And as you can see, we can see that those surveillance notifications right here. And now let's leave it, and we are good to go, yeah. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.